Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make an easy recipe but a very flavorful one. Pork fillet mignon served with a beautiful saffron sake sauce. I'm Wes and let's have a look at the ingredients. If you ever been to France and you ordered a fillet mignon in a restaurant, you might have been surprised that they serve you a pork tenderloin, but that's actually what fillet mignon stands for here in France. On the other hand, if you order a fillet mignon in the United States, they're going to serve you the beef fillet mignon. So if you ever go to a holiday in France, don't be surprised. We're going to need about 150 milliliters of sake. We're going to use some butter, a good quality of sea salt, a red onion, and we're also going to use half a tablespoon of fond de veau. Fond de veau is a basic veal sauce, not to be mistaken with veal stock. This is the basis of many sauces we make here in France, like the green peppercorn sauce or red and white wine reductions. It's also the base of many gravies and stews. We're going to use some Kampot pepper, which has a beautiful flavor profile. This is actually green Kampot pepper preserved in salt, but in time it turns black. If you can't find this, use a regular green peppercorn. It won't be the same, but it comes very close. Very important is the saffron. I'm going to use half a gram. Make sure you have a good quality saffron. Add the saffron to a bowl, add the peppercorns, the sake, and we're going to let it soak for about an hour. Trim off a little bit of the fats. Cut into slices. Just a pinch of salt on each side. You don't always need a lot of spices. Tenderloin has a very delicate flavor and that's what I want to taste in my dish. I'm going to cut our onion. Cut in half and then just thin slices. Butter in the frying pan, medium heat, and then we're going to sear the tenderloin. Four to 5 minutes on each side. Don't overcook it, it can become very dry. There we go. Add a little bit more butter. In goes the onions. We're going to add the fond de veau. Just mix it up a little bit with the butter. And we're going to add immediately the sake with the saffron and the Kampot pepper to the bowl. Put the heat on the lower position. A little bit more sake and a little bit butter. Put the tenderloin back in. Just the time to warm it up a little bit. And don't forget all these juices that came out of the meat. Back in, that's full of flavors. Just warm up for 2-3 minutes and you're ready to serve. So you see, it doesn't always have to be complicated. I only use 2 spices here, but 2 spices with a wonderful flavor profile. The Kampot pepper and the saffron, combined with the sake in the sauce, is really a flavorful dish. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.